Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So, as you guys can see, I do not have any makeup on today. I literally just got a package from a friend, just literally got delivered, and I was like, there's no time for makeup right now. I need to open this package, see what's in here, so thank you, Christy, for sending it to me, and I know that I'm just like flaring around scissors. Oh my gosh, can you guys tell I'm excited? So, this is the intergalactic surprise I was talking about that came today. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. And I will do another video, probably, I don't know, because life's been busy and some other stuff's been going on, so that I can't say yet. So yeah. But I promise you guys there will be a video. Whew, okay. So, this is a huge box. So, there's tissue paper. Oh gosh. Tissue paper. More tissue paper. Gosh, maybe I need to make like a tissue paper dress. Wouldn't that be so like fun? My bestie actually made a, so here it is. Okay. So, here's this, which I want to say this is the Pride mirror, I believe. Oh my gosh. Ooh. And I got the little alien postcard. Oh my gosh, thank you. Gosh, it is so pretty. I don't remember that highlight palette. The Northern Lights. Must be discontinued. Oh my gosh. I got the Pride one. Yay. Thank you so much, Christy. Now, time to open up the this this is something that I've been wanting for a while, and my good friend Christy had one, and hold up. Alien! Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, I gotta remember to take pictures of it. So pretty. Oh my gosh. It was kind of like, it's cold. Like, there's this, like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like this metallic, it feels like metal inside. It's very cold. Huh. It's kind of out of my room. Wow, these are so pretty. Abduction, I cannot wait to use. Oh, it's so freaking pretty. I'm so happy to have this in my collection. Look at the little alien eyes. So cute. So, there will be a tutorial coming with, you know, me reviewing this and all that fun stuff. So yeah, super excited. Which I know I'm gonna do like a few different alien looks, but I'm so excited. The packaging's so pretty. I don't know why he discontinued some of his palettes, because they're like amazing and just like, oh. I love it. But I love it, I love it. Thank you so much, Christy. Thanks for the mirror. Because, you know, I am trying to grow my mirror, collection. And that was kind of a little added bonus, so thank you. That's it for this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.